Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosa, and on this channel we create plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today we're going to be making some sliced cheddar cheese. This cheese is so delicious. I made it last week, and oh man, I've been eating like grilled cheese sandwiches. Jimmy's been enjoying those as well. It melts really well in different recipes, so I know you guys are going to really love this recipe. So let me show you what ingredients goes into it, okay? 1 cup of soaked cashews. You can soak them overnight or for 4 hours. A 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So you can adjust that to the color that you like. We're going to do 1 teaspoon, well, 1/2 teaspoon plus a 1/2 of that, just to give it that orange color. Plus, turmeric is really good for inflammation in your joints, so it's good to have in the cheese. All right. In between, we're going to get some of the cashew blend from the sides. Okay, in a small saucepan, add 1 1/4 cup of water on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of agar-agar. Whisk that really quickly so it doesn't clump up. Let that cook until it gets nice and thick. And make sure you whisk like in between as it starts to get bubbly and boil. So I let the agar-agar and the water and the coconut mixture cook down probably about 3 to 5 minutes. And a good way to test to see if it's ready is to, once you stir it up, and you see it kind of reduce, right? It's thick. But a good foolproof test would be to put a few drops of it inside of a bowl or on a plate and then let it cool for a minute. And then pull it off of the plate. See how it's thick? And it's solidified. That's how you know that your cheese will be that firmness. So you can check and see that, look at that. Your cheese will be firm like that. All right, so we got to get our agar-agar in here really quickly. Okay, pour it in. And you got to blend it really quickly or it'll start stiffening up. So this is one of the parts that you got to move. Put your lid on and turn it on. Scrape down the sides. Got to get all that turmeric mixture and the cashew mixture from the sides. So make sure that doesn't stick to the sides to get it fully blended in, nice and smooth. So in between, before it starts to stiffen up, give it a quick taste. If you maybe need some adjustments, I think that needs a little bit more salt, just a little pinch, and blend it again real fast. We gotta go super fast because it will start stiffening up. So have your bowl ready or whatever container you're gonna use to shape it. I'm using this one right now. And you just gotta move fast. I found that when I'm slow about it, it'll start stiffening up and really get kind of gummy. So let's get it. Pour it right into the container right away. So I'm going to pop this in the fridge, let it sit overnight, and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning, okay? All right, so I let our cheese sit overnight, and we're going to unmold it and see what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, wow, that came out really easy. Yay! All right. So it's gonna mold into whatever shape container you put it in. You can do triangles, you could do circle, round container, it doesn't matter. Whatever, this is what I just happen to have on hand. So I'm going to slice it up some and put it on a nice board to show you how pretty you can serve it, okay? So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm all done putting the cheese platter together. I wanted to do it like a charcuterie charcuterie, y'all know what I'm talking about, the charcuterie board, the boards with all the nice stuff on it, with the cheese and all that stuff, okay? So check it out. It looks really, really pretty. So I got some grapes I add, so I like to balance it off with the grapes on each side, some crackers, olives, cranberries, we got some pistachios, some pecans, we have some dates, carrots, celery, cucumbers, macadamia nuts, and of course our beautiful cheese. So look how pretty that cheese came out really nice. I'm gonna taste it. I know it tastes good because I've tasted before, but let me show you real fast. So yeah, the cheese is really flexible. It's really nice and firm, guys. So you can, and it melts really, really nicely. Okay, it looks like a regular cheese. All right, and you can use this in many different recipes, but it really, really tastes delicious. I have already been snacking on it, and it just tastes like nice natural cheese, and it's better for you as well. Okay, guys, because it's made with cashews. So definitely give this cheese recipe a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that little bell thingy so that you get notifications anytime I load up a new video. So with that being said, my name is Rose Marie, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.